how to reset iPhone in an easy step-by-step process. Open your settings, here we go. Scroll down, you can see the option of General, open it. Scroll down to the bottom, you can see the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on it. Over here you can see two options, Reset and Erase all content and settings. Tap on the option Reset. Over here you can see different option. You can select any of the option that is suitable for you. Reset allows you to just reset certain settings, but you will retain all your data such as photos, text messages and so on. Now tap on Cancel. Now tap on the second option. In the case you were looking for a factory reset, like your phone was brand new out of box, you want to go with this option. Now tap on this option Continue. Now you have to just enter your passcode and it will factory reset your iPhone. I hope now you guys are clear about how to reset iPhone. At the end, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to check out our website createlogindelete.com, which is linked in description below for various helpful guides, tips and tricks for your favorite social media apps and software. Thank you.